Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use sample vouchers on TikTok. First, open your TikTok Shop application and navigate to your profile. Look for the My Vouchers section, usually found under your account settings. Here, you will see all your available sample vouchers. Take a moment to review each voucher's specific terms and conditions, such as eligible products or minimum spend requirements, before proceeding to shop. Once you have identified a suitable voucher, browse the TikTok Shop for products that qualify. Add your desired item or items to your shopping cart. When you are ready to complete your purchase, proceed to the checkout page. On this page, you will find an option to apply your voucher. Select the relevant sample voucher from your list to see the discount reflected in your order total. Before finalizing your purchase, it is crucial to verify that the sample voucher discount has been successfully applied. Carefully check the updated total price displayed on your screen. Ensure that the reduction matches your expectations based on the voucher's value, perhaps a 25% discount or a fixed $5 reduction. Confirm that all the voucher's terms and conditions, like a minimum purchase amount of $10, have been met to avoid any surprises. To ensure a smooth experience, always double-check the expiration date of your sample voucher before attempting to use it. Some vouchers might also have specific eligibility criteria, such as being valid only for new users or certain product categories. If you encounter any issues, like a voucher not applying correctly, do not hesitate to contact TikTok Shop's customer support for assistance. Remember, some vouchers require a minimum purchase amount, for example, a $20 order, to be valid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.